The image shows information about the hand position while typing on the keyboard. The left side of the image shows the right position of hands and wrist while typing. It can be clearly seen that the hands should be in a straight line and the palm should be rested properly. The right side of the image shows the wrong position of hands and wrist while typing. Moreover, people should use the right position to improve the work efficiency. It is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given bar graph depicts information about earning and unemployment rate by educational attainment. The data is calibrated in percentage. It is crystal clear from the graph/image that the maximum figure of unemployment rate is 12.4% and weekly earnings is $471 for less than a high school diploma student. Followed by high school diploma holders whose unemployment rate is 8.3% and earning is $652. On the other hand, the minimum rate of unemployment is for professional degree holders at 2.1%. Overall, it is concluded that the bar graph is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given diagram shows how treatment is provided at a rehab center in various steps. Initially, in the first step, the patient is given supervised rehabilitation exercises. Furthermore, the doctor takes care of the patient. After that, the patient visits the rehab center for follow-up. Moreover, heart facilitates long-term lifestyle change in the patient. At the end, the heart contains bands and feedback. Overall, it is concluded that the diagram is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given image shows structure of hydroelectric dam. The image can be split into three parts. On the left-hand side, I can see reservoir and intake that takes water through the penstock. In the middle, there is a generator connected to the turbine that produces electricity. Furthermore, right side represents long-distance power lines and river water released from turbine. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The image shows information about the solar system. The image consists of various planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Earth, and Pluto. The biggest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Moreover, the second biggest planet is Saturn, followed by Uranus and Neptune. On the other hand, Pluto is the smallest planet in the solar system. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given image outlines the flag of two countries. On the left-hand side, I can see the flag of the United Arab Emirates. The design of this flag has three horizontal stripes of green, white, and black color. Moreover, it has a rectangle painted in red color, which is placed in the extreme left corner of the flag. On the right side of the image, the flag of Jordan can be seen with a red triangle on the extreme left corner and a white asterisk in it. Additionally, the flag has three horizontal stripes with black, white, and green color from top to bottom. It is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given image shows process of request execution for hotel reservation. There are different steps in the reservation procedure. Initially, in the first step, customer fills out the request form on hotel website. In the following step, hotel administrator receives the request by email. At the end, request of reservation is confirmed by hotel administrator through phone call. Overall, it is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The given table chart depicts information about economic inactivity through the generations. The data is calibrated in years and percentage. It is crystal clear from the image that the maximum percentage of inactivity share of life is of Gen Z and Gen Y at almost 40%, followed by the second highest figure of Gen X, which is around 37%. On the other hand, the minimum figure is of 1901 Federation, who were inactive for only 17.6% of their life. I can see some more information regarding average work and average life expectancy. Overall, it is concluded that the table chart is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The image shows comparison between London's Fleet Street in the 19th century and now. The left side of the image shows the old London in black and white. It can be clearly seen that people traveled in the carriages or preferred to walk. The right side of the image shows the modern and vibrant picture of London. Moreover, many cars and buses can be seen on the street, hinting at a developed transportation system. It is concluded that the image is very knowledgeable and informative for me. The dual image shows information about the comparison of the fundamental needs model with Abraham Maslow's need hierarchy. On the left-hand side, the image shows a Venn diagram depicting three fundamental needs, that is status, stimulation, and security needs. The right side represents Maslow's need hierarchy in the form of a pyramid. The bottom shows physiological needs, which includes food, water, and shelter. On the other hand, the top is filled with self-actualization needs followed by self-esteem and belonging needs. Overall, it is concluded that the given image is very knowledgeable and informative for me.